So how are you guys feeling this look? This is the tight curly bob from Rpghair, and I definitely think that this unit is perfect for the spring and summer times. Like, you can have a lot of fun with this. This is a lace front wig, but it's 12 inches, and yes, it's curly, and curly styles require a little bit more maintenance, but with the shorter length at just 12 inches, it makes it a lot more manageable, especially for beginners. So this is an Indian Remy textured bob, so I really want you to understand like what you're getting, and this is incredibly affordable, sis. I put in some of these specs of this exact unit, and it can run you under 130. So if you want to slay like a cute little lace front wig and something that is, you know, easy to manage and maintain for like a long period of time, you know, several months, I definitely think this is something you guys should look into and really measure your head to make sure that this is the perfect fit. I'm gonna leave what size cap I have in the description box because this fits perfectly. Now, Rpghair offers like bleaching around 2 inches of the front, or you can get the entire portion of the front bleached, but that is going to cost you, I think, like $10 extra. But think about it, if you really want to slay, if you want minimal work, it's something you should consider. They do offer a pre-plucked hairline. Now, this hairline is not as pre-plucked as some of the units I've received in the past, but you can finesse it. I didn't want to be bothered doing too much got to be glue method. I really just wanted to use the free spray, and I used the edge booster, and you can literally lay your wigs just using those 2 products. Like, sis, you don't have to do too much. And I didn't want to go extreme with the baby hairs. I know baby hairs aren't for everyone, but whatever floats your boat, sis. This is what I was feeling for the moment, and I think it's cute. But also, I want you to get into this right side part because I am not a right side part girl. I don't know what happened. Something just came over me, and so I prefer left side parts, but this is really cute. I wish it were more curved, and that's something that you can do because you have about 4.5 inches to kind of like play with and really finesse it if you wish. But I love the product that I use to define the curls on this unit, and this is actually from My Fluffy Puffs. It's their twist frosting, and it has biotin in it. Like, treat your wigs well. And though this product is typically for natural and, you know, chemically processed hair, you can definitely use this on your wig. I will find like an alternative for, you know, people who may be searching of something more like accessible at the drugstore or something like that. So definitely check the description box. But this leaves a very soft hold on the hair, and you guys saw I used like a large shampoo comb to help really volumize this hair to take it up a notch, because you know I love my drama. But what do you guys think? Like, are you into this look? Honey, it's definitely a lot shorter than what I'm accustomed to, and though this is like 180% density, I'm feeling like it's a little bit more of like the 150% density. It's not quite 100%, but it is a little bit heavier for those who want to step above that more like 100% density natural kind of feel. So again, this is 180% density, but it's presenting more like 150% density. So to all my beginners, this is a great medium between, you know, going full on super voluminous hair and more of the more natural beginner densities. And I love that this kind of tapers. So in the front, it's slightly longer, and then as it goes towards the back, it kind of tapers and gets a little bit shorter. So if you're someone who sweats, you don't like a lot of hair on your neck, this is it, sis. Okay, this is it. I think this is a really good style, and if you want more like inspiration, I'll leave my wig playlist so you guys can see different ways to style curly units. But sis, you can get her for under 130. Okay, go shop now, sis. And I mean, it might even be cheaper than that. You can get it for like 115. I think that's a steal. But make sure you guys subscribe, turn your notifications on, okay, so you get notified every time I post a new video. Share this with your homegirls and your homeboys, because you never know who wants to slay. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the look, and kiki with me in the comments. I love hearing from you guys, and I hope I see you in the next one.